there, Platterheads. My name is Chef Nikhil and I'm the host of our Simply Good cooking show. I don't know about you, but I can feel the festive cheer all around here at Urban Platter. And if there is one recipe that truly represents the Christmas spirit, it's a delicious plum cake. And to give a little bit of our Urban Platter twist to this classic Christmas recipe, we're going to be using our pitted prunes that come all the way from California just for you to make this delicious recipe. So let's get baking. The process for our Christmas plum cake can be divided into three parts. The first and probably one of the most important parts is to soak and marinate our dried fruits in a mixture of molasses and rum. I'm going to be using pitted prunes, sliced cranberries, some cashews and some beautiful Iranian pistachios. The second part is to mix all of our dry ingredients together along with the spices. Now the spices play an extremely important role when it comes to this cake because they do an amazing job of lifting all of the flavors around them. And the last but definitely not the least step is to mix all of our liquid ingredients together to get that soft and fluffy texture for our cake. At the end of it, we'll just mix all of these three steps together and we'll have ourselves a beautiful Christmas plum cake. So I've just put my beautiful prune cake in the oven right now. It's at 180 degrees Celsius and it's going to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes based on how your oven works.